Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome to another video. In today's video, we're going to be doing an unboxing of the GoPro Display Mod. It's finally here. Let's jump into that. I got the GoPro Display Mod. Let's do this quick unboxing and let's take a closer look at this thing. Been waiting on it for ages. They just waited to release this now that they released the GoPro Hero 9. So here's your boxing. But that's a whole nother story. I'm not sure the reasoning behind it. They're saying that the pandemic, but they actually dragged that out all the way till September. And I'm not saying that the pandemic didn't affect it, it did, but other companies have been releasing new items and shipping new items. So I'm not sure what their real excuse is. Anyways, not trying to piss anybody off, but those are my thoughts on that. So here we have the display mod. It comes in this nice little plastic case. Open it up and you have your display mod in here. Has this nice little protective foam inside. And there you have it, guys. Let's go ahead and take this protective film off. And I have the GoPro Hero 8 Black with the media mod on it. And that's gonna plug into right in the back here to that, oops, wrong side, to that port there. So let's go ahead and take a look at this. Perfect for vlogging. Although the Hero 9, which I have on the way, by the way, has a new display up front. You'll be able to see your face here. What I'm curious to know is that I know that the GoPro Hero 9 has a display mod as well and a media mod. I would like to know if this is going to be the same one or if I'm going to have to buy a different one. I actually went onto the GoPro site. As you can see here, it does show that it is compatible with the GoPro Hero 8 Black and GoPro Hero 9 as well. So that's a good thing. Here's a closer look at the actual display mod on the back of it. Here's your micro USB connection instructions here. Over here in the packaging, you have your charging cable. It is a GoPro USB-C to USB-A charging cable. And that's it. Nothing else is in the box. Something I've noticed is that this cable is much longer than what they've been using on their website. The photo on their website shows a cable that is much shorter and much easier to mount. When you mount this, the cable, it'd be nice if you could flip it and turn it like that, but you can't because the way the port is, you have to put it in like this. It's the only way it'll work. So now you have this cable sticking out, which I'm not crazy about. So I kind of use that clip to hold the cable there a little bit, but it's still popping out. Not very clean. I don't know, it's just a minor gripe, but if you guys are gonna stick with the GoPro Hero 8, this is a great little micro vlogging setup. On the right side of the display mod, you have your USB-C port, so you can charge it here. And then you have your power button on the side. You have to press this power button for about 4 seconds for it to power on. And then it'll power on there. The media mod displays its battery level right there. As you can see, I have 43%. It will not display the GoPro's the camera's actual battery level, just the display level. So as you can see here, the display mod is on, it's working. In order to switch between screens, you just press the power button once. And now you have access to your camera controls on the screen here, because you cannot control your camera with this screen up here with the display mod. This is strictly for viewing and framing your shots. So this right here does not control your camera, okay? Even if you have it turned on like that, you can't do anything but just look through, view your image like that. It's nice and bright, looks good, very accurate. Let's go outside and take some outdoor shots. I want to see how it performs in the sunlight. All right, so I'm out here, just wanted to take a quick test shot outdoors in the bright sunlight. I don't know if you guys can see there, but the screen, I can see myself nice and bright, colors look good. It reflects, I have it on the flat profile, so it does look flat. And it's bright enough. It's, come out here in the sun and do some vlogging. and I don't think there'll be any issue with that. Let me try these polarized lens just to see if you can see the screen. And you can see the screen. I don't know if you guys can see there. I'll give you a better shot, but I'll only bring that up because like with the new Sony cameras, some people have been having issues when they wear polarized glasses, they can't see the screen. But happy to inform that on the GoPro Display Mod, that is not an issue. So I'm not sure if you can see through the camera, but it is bright enough. Let's kind of move it around, make sure you guys can get a good view of it. In terms of the display, it's exactly like the one on the back. It's very accurate. And it also reflects if you change your field of view from linear to wide to super view, if you're using the flat color profile or the GoPro color profile, everything is reflected on the actual display mod. So another feature on this display mod is that if it's not receiving a signal from the camera, it'll shut off after 5 minutes. So that'll help you save your battery on the actual display mod as well. Something to note that when you're playing back video on your GoPro, it will not play on the display mod. Even if you activate the display mod, you won't be able to watch or play back any video on there. See there? Just won't do anything. Not sure what's going on there. It's getting that signal there. Not coming on over here. Oh, here we go. Yeah, I'm not sure what that means. So it's doing that right now. I guess it's saying to plug it in. Let me unplug it. Plug it back in. All right, so when it's flashing like that, when that icon pops up there, it's just basically connecting. There's a slight delay. That's all I can, there's nothing in the manual. There's nothing I could find online about that. It just takes a few seconds before it pops up over here. You'll see in just a moment. A little glitchy. See? There it is. Not sure what's going on. My cable's in all the way. Pressed it again. Let's see. My back screen isn't on. See, it's not on. Try it again. It's at 15, what? Battery's at 13%, but that shouldn't be an issue. It should still show it. Let me turn it off. Turn it back on. So yeah, I'm not sure what's going on here. Oh, there it is. It's a little glitchy there. I don't know if this is a bug that they may have to fix with another firmware update, but I will email them about it to see what they can tell me. And I'll update you guys in the comment down below. And wanted to show you guys that you can actually charge this with a power bank. You can see this one is charging right now. No issues. I've had it on for about 5 minutes and it's still charging just fine. So that's gonna do it for this one, guys. I hope you found this video informative and useful. If you have any questions, drop a comment down below. Like I said, I'm gonna send an email about that little issue with the delay there on the display mod to GoPro, and I'll update you guys in the comments down below. Happy to have the display mod. I know it's a year late, and the GoPro Hero 9 is out. Actually, it's on the way. I'll be getting that one soon, and I will do some videos on that as well. But this is a very capable camera still in 2020. You know, this has been a great GoPro in my opinion. So if you're in the market for a GoPro and you don't want to spend more money for the Hero 9, which by the way, if you go with the GoPro Plus subscription, you do get $100 off of that camera, and that's a great deal, to be honest with you. The GoPro Plus plan is, the subscription itself is in my opinion a good deal, a great value. So something to consider. But yeah, don't let people tell you that this camera is no longer good because the Hero 9 is out. The Hero 9 is better, has better specs, but this is still a great camera in my opinion. See you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Stay safe, guys.